Hello and welcome back. It's December 10 and we're looking at this leaf right here near the stem. I am going to find that centre line again, and this is a series of arcs that'll come out to one side and then the other to create our little pattern. So you can see they were in bunches of 4, and in that way we've managed to go out is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're back there to start the next one. Good luck with that one. It's a little trickier. They start to get a bit harder, but I will see you tomorrow for December 11.